discuss her request regarding salary adjustment. So, let's ensure this conversation remains professional and respectful.
Good morning, Ms. Cruz and everyone. I really appreciated this opportunity, and I'm so excited about the role, but I'd like to review the compensation package to make sure it aligns with responsibilities expected.
Good morning. I'm pleased to be here to assist Ms. Delpena. I'll make sure that the discussion will remain transparent and fair for both sides.
Good morning, everyone. At XYZ Corporation, we value open communication and professionalism. Let's begin with the details offered prepared by our HR department.
So, again, Ms. Delpena, we are offering you the position of marketing supervisor with a monthly base of salary of 45,000. So, this includes full benefits such as health insurance, performance, and bonuses and training opportunities.
Thank you, Ms. Cruz. I truly value the offer. Based on my experience leading marketing company and my previous performance in similar roles, I was hoping for a salary closer to 50,000 to match the responsibilities of the position.
If I may, I'd like to emphasize that Ms. Delpena has lead project that boosted the client and engagement 30%. The result-driven approach would be a strong addition to your marketing team.
That's impressive, Ms. Delpena. We certainly recognize your skills and achievements. However, our salary range for this position is 45,000 to 48,000, depending on qualification and internal budget.
Perhaps we can find a middle ground. We could offer a starting salary at 47,000 with a 6 months performance review. Upon meeting agreed upon targets, we can adjust your salary to 50K.
So, that sounds fair and consistent. So, with our company policy, it also provides room for recognition based on your performance.
That's a fair offer, and I appreciate your consideration. I'm confident that our meet and hopefully exceed the expectations will very good too.
That's a balanced and professional solution. Both sides have shown flexibility and understanding.
I completely agree. It's refreshing to see a respectful negotiation where both parties work toward a win-win outcome.
I am further advised offer letter today with the agreed of 47,000 pesos, starting salary and the performance review cost. Ms. Delpena, you receive it later in this afternoon for your signature.
With all my share of observation, both sides demonstrated excellent communication, patience, and professionalism. This really show business etiquette and create a positive outcome.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Villanueva. So, that's exactly what we are trying for XYZ Corporation. Negotiations build a mutual respect and integrity.
I'm sincerely grateful to everyone for the fairness and courtesy shown today. I look forward to joining our company and contributing to its growth.
So, welcome to the team, Ms. Delpena. We're excited to have you with us.
Congratulations, I appreciate your professionalism throughout the discussion.
Thank you everyone for maintaining transparency and courtesy during the negotiation. It's been a pleasure working with all of you.
So, thank you, Ms. Santos. We value your support. Let's continue fostering positive professional relationships. So, thank you for your time, everyone. So, let's wrap this up.
become polite and professional, even when discussing sensitive topics like standards.
Yes, I learned that good negotiation is not about winning anything. It's all about finding solution and the benefit both sides.
One is the loneliest number that you'll ever do.